Hello, in this video I want to show you how to get Epic Games Launcher for your Steam Deck. So in order to do this, you'll need to first leave the family view. So like I just did, I am not in a family view. And now hold the power key. It's this button right here. You should see switch to desktop. Click on it. Now the desktop mode should pop up, and here we want to go for the applications and software. It's this bag right here, Discover Software Center. Open it. Now in the search bar we want to find Heroic Games Launcher. So hit the Steam and X if you don't have keyboard plugged in, and now enter the Heroic. And enter. Steam plus X closes the keyboard, and now we can install this app. When it's ready, click on it and launch it. Here you can go for the library, but first you need to log in also. So you probably have a screen like this, and you can log into your Epic Games Launcher as well as your GOG games. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.